Hey, what is going on? Ecom Dominators, Cynthia here, and I'm getting so many questions inside of my Facebook group asking me why I am not getting any sales, okay? That is especially true with people who are just starting out or just starting having their store, new niche, okay, and new pixel. And a lot of people are struggling saying, hey, Cynthia, I've been getting a lot of clicks to my website, but no one is buying. What is the problem? Okay, so that's why I want to make a video about this today, kind of clearing a little kind of misconception, a little bit about how you can actually fix the process and actually get some sales inside of your Shopify store. Okay, now this will not work if you're using a third-party platform like Teespring or Sunfrog because it's owned by somebody else. But if you have a Shopify store, you can control the process a little bit more. Okay, so right now, I'm going to show you, okay, I'm going to write out basically the sales funnel of when your customers comes to your store, okay, and all the way to when they purchase, okay. So let's just say for an example, all right, this is your ad, all right, and your ad, you can be selling something like a t-shirt or whatever, all right, and then when your customers comes to your store, okay, they're going to land where? They're going to land right on your product page. Okay? And the product page usually have the price of the t-shirt. Okay? So let's just say for an example, it's $22.99. Alright? So $22.99 is usually how much I charge for my t-shirts. Okay? Now, what happens after that? If they hit the add to cart button, they're going to be taken to this page. Okay, this is the add to cart process. This is the cart page. Okay, now in the cart, this is when they fill out their name, their address, all their information, so we can ship them their products, right? All right, so what happens after that is they're going to go to somewhere that is called initiate checkout. Okay, this is when we will reveal how much our shipping cost is. All right, okay, so usually for the shipping cost, I charge $4.99, so I'm just going to say $5 here, okay? And then what happens next, okay, is that they go, if they buy it, then they made a purchase, okay? So what happens if they make a purchase, okay? We're going to be taking them to the thank you page, okay? Saying thank you for your order. We will send you an email, all right? Now, this is where people have a problem, okay? People say, I'm running my ads, I'm getting clicks to my website, okay? This is your website over here, okay? But I'm not getting any sales, okay? So the thing is, there is something wrong within your funnels, okay? And I'm gonna break it down with each of the funnel step, okay? What could be the issue, okay? And sort of figuring out how you can fix your sales with getting no sales, okay? So with product, okay, if people are landing on your product page but not adding it to cart, okay, that means there is something wrong with, let's use a different marker. There is something wrong with the price. All right. The price is way too high, okay? So how you can fix it is you can either do one of two things, okay? So number one, okay, you can either lower your price, okay? Or number two, you can run a retargeting ad, which I'll talk a little bit more about later on, giving them a 20% off coupon. It doesn't have to be 20%. Any type of coupon would work, okay? Some sort of coupon or discount, okay? So you can do it either way, basically lowering this price or retargeting them with a coupon so that they can get a cheaper price, okay? So usually this is what happens, okay? Now, another reason which it could be, okay, they don't trust your site. That's a trust factor, okay? So how do you fix that? Well, you just add, trust badges like those credit card companies like Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, okay? So that they trust your site even more. I also even add, if you offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, also add that to your product page as well, okay? That increases trust a lot, all right? So these three can actually affect the person even clicking this button, okay? Because they don't know who you are, right? You're running basically cold traffic to wherever your platform is, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, they're clicking on this ad, but they don't know who you are, okay? So these three might be the problem, okay? But a lot of people will say, well, Cynthia, I get a lot of add to carts, but no one is purchasing. No one is actually buying, okay? So here's the issue where if you are not having this problem and you're having the add to cart problem, all right? So with the cart, the usual issue is that people click the add to cart button, but they're still having this trust issue, okay? So with this one, say, well, Cynthia, over here I already added trust badges. What about the cart? You still have to add trust badges inside of your cart, okay? Because for some reason, people go to the cart and they kind of think twice and say, is this company going to, steal my information? Is it going to scam me? Am I going to really get my product? Okay, so what you can do is also add trust badges in here as well. And with most stores, and what I also use is you can also add reviews, customer reviews. All right, when other customers see other people buying your product, they will automatically trust you even more because they see other people using it, they see other people loving your product, so they are more inclined to trust you with their credit card information. Now, if your customer comes over to here, initiate checkout, which means that, okay, they trust you enough to put in all their information, but when they come here and they look at your shipping cost, okay, and they don't buy, right? They don't come here, they don't buy. Well, what are some issues that you're having here, okay? Number one, your shipping and handling costs could be way too high, okay? How are you gonna fix it? Well, either decrease your shipping and handling costs, okay? Or you can do a retargeting ad, okay, to give them a coupon for free shipping, okay? Very simple fix over here, okay? And I'll talk a little bit more about retargeting after this, okay? But these are the things you gotta think about why people are leaving your site, okay? Don't just say, oh, Cynthia, I'm getting clicks to my website, but I'm not getting any sales. Well, you need to know what is wrong with your funnel, fix it, and then you can increase your conversions, okay? So it's good. Now, if you fix each of these steps, okay, you should be getting some purchases, some sales over here, all right? Now, with add to cart, okay, you can, if people add to cart, okay, there's an app that you can actually download in Shopify. It's called the Abandonment Protector, which I use as well, okay? And what this happens is that once someone adds it to cart, which means they put in something called an email address, okay, but they never, put in the credit card information, right? No credit card information. You can actually, okay, with the app, the Abandonment Protector app, okay, they will automatically send 3 emails, okay, which you can control, how the intervals of when they send out the emails, okay, but basically they send out 3 emails, okay. Okay, in this first email, you can just say, hey, okay, so email number 1, okay, you can just say, hey, we noticed that you didn't complete your purchase. Why don't you come back and, take a look, maybe you were busy, okay? And usually people come back on the first email. But if people don't come back on the first email, they will automatically send a second email. In the second email, you can say, hey, we noticed that, you still have an item in your cart, we'd love for you to purchase. We know you're gonna love it, all right? Just anything to entice them to kind of come back to purchase their product. Now, with the last email, you can I usually with the last email offer some sort of coupon or a discount, all right? So coupon and a discount or a discount, just to kind of get them to come back to purchase their product, okay? Now this Abandonment Protector app works very well, okay? Now there is a monthly fee to it, but I found that when I implement, like when I install it to all of my Shopify store, I'm actually getting a positive ROI. So it's very, very important to install this inside your Shopify store. When in my course, I actually teach my students one of those apps that is actually mandatory that you need to install, okay? Now, this is a great one, and it's mainly used for abandonment cart, hence only for the add to cart funnel, okay? Now, let's talk about retargeting ads, okay? Now, how retargeting works is that in order to do retargeting, you need to make sure that you have the pixel set up, okay? If you don't have the pixel set up, this will not work, and you can't offer these few features, okay? So if someone, okay, product, okay, this is also called view content for Facebook, meaning people has viewed your page, all right? So usually once people come to this page, and once I get around 100 view content, meaning 100 visitors, people who have visited this product page but did not add to cart. So you want to make sure you exclude people that adds to cart, right? Okay, you want to go ahead and retarget the view content, right? Like I said, the fix is offer them a coupon, okay? Or you can lower the price, okay? But if you are doing the retarget, the 100 view content, okay, you're going to show them the product again. It says, hey, you know, we want you to come back to purchase this product. Enjoy, you know, 20% off your purchase today, okay? Use code, I don't know, you know, CAT20 or something like that, all right? So offer them a coupon. Okay, that's the first one. Now the second one, for add to cart, like I said, the abandonment protector will take care of that. Now with the initiate checkout, if no one's purchasing but they reach this step, okay, for every 100 initiate checkout, now you can do initiate checkout or you can do add to cart. It actually doesn't really matter. It's pretty much the same, okay? Now with these two, you can actually offer them a free shipping coupon, okay? Okay. So you can say, you know, use this coupon that says ship for free, and they can get free shipping to purchase your product, okay? And a lot of people are saying, well, Cynthia, I'll be, you know, it will be cutting my margins thin, okay? Because a lot of people depend on their shipping costs to make their margins, and that is very true. But if you think about it, you're getting these people to come back to kind of, you know, experience your product, okay? And after they experience the product, they're going to know that you are a legitimate company, and they're going to come back and actually purchase other products, okay? Just remember that all the money is always made in the back end with your email list, okay? It's never made in the front end, okay? With the products, it's always made in the back end, okay? So with the back end, once they purchase, you're going to collect something called an email. All right? This email is where you're going to make the majority of your money. All big businesses make their majority money with the emails in the back end, okay? The front end product, okay, you're always just going to make back either your ad costs or helping you break even, okay? A lot of people are saying, you know, also tells me, you know, Cynthia, I'm breaking even. And I said, that's wonderful. I mean, I would open up a Shopify store and keep it running even if I'm breaking even for months, okay? And why is that? Because I'm collecting an email, okay? Now with print on demand, you want to play the long-term game. And how you play the long-term game is by, even if you're breaking even in the front end, but you're collecting an email in the back end, that is going to be your biggest asset, okay? Your other biggest asset will be also your Facebook pixel. A seasoned pixel will always have an advantage of a new pixel, okay? So once your pixel is matured, okay, when you run your ads, your pixel will know where to find all the buyers, okay, instead of trying to learn who your audience is. Because if you think about it, the Facebook pixel is just a robot. They don't know what product you're selling, but the more ads you run, okay, the more they learn about, you know, who's going to buy your product, who's more interested in your company, all right? So that's something to think about. All right, that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful. I hope you got a lot of value out of it. And I know a lot of people have a lot of questions. And if you have any questions, I recommend that you join my free Facebook group. Okay, I have the link down in the description. Okay, and basically inside the Facebook group, we have over 26,000, entrepreneurs in there. Most of them are my students. A lot of people are just there just to kind of mastermind and ask me questions. Okay, so it's a great community. Go ahead and join it. Everyone knows that I go in there every single day to answer all of your questions. No questions goes unanswered because I really, really want to help everyone out. I really, really want to help everyone succeed in the print-on-demand business, okay? Best business model, in my opinion, okay, because you literally have no inventory, no employees, okay, no expensive equipment, none of that, okay, because it's all taken care of by your print-on-demand supplier, okay? So all you have is really just a mock-up of your design. Your only inventory is your design file that you get, okay, which actually lives and sits in your computer, okay? So go ahead and join my free Facebook group. If you also want a free training on how to build your own Shopify store, okay, you can also go to build.teebootcamp.com, okay? Over there, go ahead and register for that free training, 100% free. I'll take you from start to finish on how to build your store, how to run your first ad campaign, right? Everything, and how to upload your first design, okay? Super easy, super simple, nothing hard about it, okay? But before I leave, let me just go ahead and recap, okay? Just remember, okay, figure out what went wrong in your funnel process, fix it, and that's how you're going to make sales. A lot of people are always saying they aren't getting sales but aren't really reading the data that Facebook gives you inside of your ads manager account, okay? Go and read the data because you're already paying Facebook to run your ads, and they're going to provide you all that data, okay? Kind of read the data, analyze it, and then plan your next move, all right? All right, so that's it for me, and I'll see you in the next one.